you guys, dude, we are back, man. We are back, and we've got the Mojave out here with us. Man, it's been a while since I've RC'd. Probably about 2 months, dude, since I've videoed or anything. Been super busy at work, home, everything. But we're back, guys. We are back. So, we got this battery charged up. Was just making sure all my batteries are still good. And I want to go ahead and just run this thing around here, get it out here, no jumps or nothing. I'll take it out back and just rip it up some, and figured why not, we'll get some video and throw it out there. So let's see what this thing's got. Let's get to it, boys. So I've got these tires on here. These are the 2.8 Badlands. Yeah, they seem to work good. Alright, let's check it out back, boys. What a monster this thing is. Definitely liking these tires, for sure. Moving, boys. Tell you what. These tires really work good, man. Wow. get her sailing by her one more time. Good. All right, so again, that battery not fully charged, but I had it charged up some, making sure they were good. There it is, boys. Mojave running strong. Again, man, thanks for watching, subscribing, hitting the thumbs up. I appreciate it. I'll see you boys in the next video. Peace.